Where is it? Where's what? Ow, stop, stop. What are you talking about? Where's what?
Where's what? What do you mean?
What are you looking for? Whoa! What is that thing? Oh, there's a frog on the loose. What do we do? Oh, snap. Nathan, what are you doing here, bro? Where'd you come from, man? What is wrong with you?
Yo, what's up, dudes? Daycare is back?
Yeah, it's back, but what you doing, man? There's a dragon! And there's a moose dragon! Oh, stop! Yeah, look, he's flying up. The dragon's actually flying. Yeah. Oh, and it's down.
Did you guys not see this giant moose that's sitting over here?
Yeah, it's called evil moose.
Oh, so I see him. Oh, I see him.
One.
Hey, well, I think we somehow saved the city.
Still one more.
It's very interesting. Well, not my choice. Yeah, so,
oh my God.
Well, the daycare's gone. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a brand new Minecraft Daycare video. And today, I got my friend Cyclone and Unspeakable. Wait. Hello? Cyclone? Unspeakable? Nathan? Where's your boyfriend, Musina? Where's my friends at? Oh my God, where are they going now, man? Is it just me and myself and I? Oh, no. Probably eating. Whoa, what's going on over here, man? What's going on over here? Jeff, she's not my girlfriend. I already told you about this, man. Look, what are you laughing at? Thick. What do you mean? Oh, this. Oh, told you he was eating. Hey, what are you guys? Listen, I've been hitting the gym recently, guys. Look. What's so funny? Yeah, I've been working out hardcore, man. I'm trying to get those, those curves so they're a rectangle, Check it out. See? Too thick. I'm not thick, man. This is all muscle. It's 100% pure beef fat. I'm really confused what that was too. But what do you guys think? Do I look bigger? I mean, I've been working on my biceps, my chest, my abs. So, it's pretty good. You skip leg day, I guess. I did not skip leg day. They're pretty crazy, man. I think he thought that he would become rich like Brick Boss if he got thick. That is not true. That is not true at all. Okay, Brick Boss is one of a kind. And, well, I got moose milk and food. And, you, Jeff. Love you. All right, so anyways, Jeff, what do we do today, buddy? What are we working on, bro? What are we working on? Wait, why are you dating this thick dude? Jeff! Listen, why'd you marry Jeffina, huh? When she's the man in the relationship. Oh, I did it, Jeff. I don't know, man. Yeah, that's what I thought. Did you ever see us kiss? Jeff, you married her, and she RKO took you down to the ground. Bro, she beat you in a wrestling match, man. Nah. Jeff, that's exactly what happened. We never kissed. Musina, you witnessed it all. You saw what happened. Well, actually, you weren't there for the wedding. Musina, where were you at? Flashback. This is flashback to the wedding.
Now,
I need a buy a ring. I want this wedding. Jeff, do not talk like that. This is so beautiful. My man getting married. This is so good. Will you two accept the WWE boxing match? So on the left side, we have Jeffina the Destroyer weighing at 2,000 pounds. And on the right side, we have Jeff the Moose, the Science Guy, weighing it at 1,000 pounds. The fight to the death, go! Woo! It is not looking so good at all for Jeff the Moose. Oh, snap! The winner decides if they get married or not. Jeffina, who wins the battle? Gah! We getting married! You gotta get married. Jeff, come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Hey, Jeff, don't run away. Oh, Jeffina. I think your husband's running away. Okay. All right, so anyways, Jeff, let's play a game, buddy. Let's play a crazy game, man. What you thinking, buddy? What are you thinking? We gotta play Would You Rather. Well, do we have enough people for Would You Rather? I mean, I guess there's 3 of us. Yes, awesome, cool. All right, Moosey, let's go over here. Okay, so, yeah, it's showtime. Hey, more that matters. Jeff, do I look thick when I sit down? I kind of look unproportionate. If you have me, you have the world. Wow, hashtag Jeff Motivations. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna put that quote in the Moose book of life. You look amazing. Thank you. I appreciate you. Yeah. All right. So, Jeff, go ahead. Would you rather your question? I want royalties. No. All right, Jeff. Come on. You go ahead and ask the question first. 4 billion every time used. I am not giving you money for using that. Okay, Jeff? No. What's this? Yeah. We smoke. Meh. I must sit on the moose book to think better. Would you rather date Moosina or be rich? Why you gotta put me in a spot like that, man? Would you rather date Moosina or be rich? Wait, so can I choose be rich and then date Moosina after? Get him! I didn't say anything! No, you can't hurt me! I did not say nothing. It was a theoretical question, okay? It was just a theoretical answer. You got that? Knowledge. I'd marry you if you were rich. Well, what? I'm not ready to get married. All right, you should date Brick Boss instead of that loser. Jeff, you realize that I run your laboratory and your daycare, so you better watch it. That's what I thought. You better watch it, bro. Yeah, that's right. Loser. Yeah, Jeff. Go back to sleeping in your laboratory, bro. No, Brick Boss does. Brick Boss does nothing for you. He doesn't even know who you are. Honestly, I don't think Brick Boss knows who we even are at all. He just kind of comes and goes out of nowhere, and he just says random things. So we don't know what's ever going on with him, honestly. Okay, your turn, Cow. Okay. He's kind of weird. Nah, he's pretty cool, though. He's a pretty cool guy. You know, he's got a yacht, and he rolls around sometimes. Look, Cow. All right, so anyways. Would you rather be a platypus or a fish? Platypus. My dream is to be a penguin. Jeff, it doesn't answer the question. You have two things. You got two jobs. You know what? I choose penguin. That's not even okay. You don't get the point of the game. All right. You know what, Jeff? You're disqualified. Okay, Moosina, your turn. That's what you asked. I said platypus or a goldfish. Dude, platypuses are cool. They got like the crazy, you know, the tail. They can like knock you out and stuff. You said penguin or shark. Jeff, do you have hearing problems? Here, let me just quickly check it real quick. Let me see. Oh, Jeff. Dude, those antlers are glued onto your ears. Whenever you transform into something, you look really weird, and I get confused what you even are. All right, Moosina, go ahead. It's your turn. All right, Moosina, what you got? All right, Moosina, come on. You got to give us, it's a would you rather, just ask anything. I look like a model. Jeff, I don't know what kind of Earth you're from, but that's definitely not model status here. Yes, Kitty, you're beautiful. All right, would you rather kiss Jeff or Jeffina? Well, Jeff. Well, Jeff, listen here. I would never go near you, you weird-looking dude. No, Jeff, you smell like a toe. All right, you smell like a toe. So you can take Jeffina. Is this a tough question? I'd probably choose Jeffina. Yeah, you smell like a toe, Jeff. Like I don't know. You smell weird, bro. I never. Do you even shower? Like is that a thing? Thanks, new cologne. Whose man is this? Whose man is this? Whoa. All right, so, anyways, Jeff, it's your turn again. Go ahead, buddy. Oh, Jeff, you look weird, man. Do you even have legs anymore? What is that? Hi! Yo, guys, look, I'm camouflaging. Sorry. All right. Awesome. So, what are we doing, Jeff? What are we doing? Would you rather drive with Ariel or Shark? Would you rather drive with Ariel or Shark? The two of the worst drivers. I'd rather not drive for the rest of my life at all, dude. I'm good, man. I'm good. Knock on wood, nothing happens. So I'm not choosing that question. They're both very bad drivers. Sorry. That was pretty savage. I don't mean no harm. They're pretty good drivers. All right, go ahead. So, it's my turn. That's right. Would you rather be a deer or an ant? Would you rather be a deer or an ant? Deercraft or Antcraft? Hey, man, this superhero from Avengers. Dang it, Jeff, you've done it again, man. Get out of here. Get out of here with your DC Marvel Universe stuff. Get out of here. Hey, guys, Jeff here. Complete derp. But we love him because it's Jeff. Yeah. Rip Anthony. Okay. All right. Anyways. Lucina, what do you think? Would you rather be a deer or an ant? What are you thinking? Wow, is this so hard to answer this question? Deer. Awesome. The thing is, if you're a deer, I gotta call you Deercraft for the rest of your life. So you're not really a moose anymore. You're an imposter. You're a deer. That was kind of savage. All right. Anyway, so Jeff. You still haven't chosen the question, but anyways, chosen the question. What? Huh? An answer. You're an elk. I'm not an elk. Ant-Man, the superhero from Avengers. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, whatever. Moosina, it's your turn. Go ahead. Moosina, go ahead. It's your turn. You can choose anything you want. You can choose anything you want at all, including Minecraft or Roblox. Choose one. Minecraft or Roblox, Jeff? Minecraft. Would you rather fight Hulk or me? Is that even a question? The Hulk, obviously. Why would I ever fight you? Ah, stop! Ah, stop! No! Ben, stay away! Ben, stay away! Ow! Tap it. The Hulk does not stand a chance against you, Busita. Yeah, you got taxes powers or something like that. I don't know, taxes. All right, what's your superhero powers? Taxes. All right, throwback. What about you, Busita? What's your superpower? I can do taxes. That's... Okay, all right. So anyways. Jeff, it's my turn real quick. I'm going to go real quick. Jeff, would you rather... I just want to go real quick. Jeff, would you rather fight Jeffina or John Cena in a ring? In a wrestling ring? John Cena! Why is that? Why not Jeffina? Jeffina's scary, bro. She crazy. I know, man. Here's a little flashback of Jeffina RKO taking down Jeff. Go! Well, I think that's about it for the Would You Rather, man. She's just giving my thumbnails, bro. Jeff, I don't know. You act like you hate her, but you love her, so I don't get it, man. All right, anyways, Jeff, you can have the final Would You Rather, and then I got to get going. Oh, what the heck? That's awesome, bro. Look at this. Man, with some breakfast, and with some smoke, and some more smoke, and some steak, and I want a creeper. I want to eat the creeper, and I also want to eat the clown, and I also want some of this, and I want some more food, and some carpet, and more clowns, and more black. I have a problem where I have throwbacks to days I was eating a lot of food, and it made me this thick. So what happens when you hang out with Nathan for a day, and we have a breakfast showdown? You see what happens, man? That's exactly what happens. All right. So anyways, Jeff of the Moose. Final Would You Rather question. Go ahead and ask it away. Do it, broski. Do it, man. You got one job. One opportunity. Don't miss a chance. Would you rather never have MooseBook again or delete your YouTube channel? Why you gotta do this to me, man? What? Why you gotta put me in a spot where I have to choose between two favorite things I love? I never said it would be easy. The impossible. I love every single one of you watching this video. And I also really love MooseBook. And without MooseBook, I'm incomplete. So this is a very tough choice for me. So I'm gonna answer this question in the next Daycare video. Subscribe and slap the bell to find out. Leave a like and comment down below. What do you want to see in Daycare next? Bye! No cliffhangers here. It's a cliffhanger. Bye!